The future is here, everyone, and it's wearing a Bluetooth headset and asking if you'd like to add fries to your order. That's right, artificial intelligence, or AI as the cool kids call it, is changing the world. We're talking about real jobs held by real people, potentially replaced by lines of code and, of course, a blinking cursor. Because today, we're diving headfirst into the digital dystopia, exploring the 10 jobs that are about to get a whole lot less human. First up on the chopping block, customer service representatives. Remember the days when you could call a company and actually talk to a human being? Those days are about as numbered as a landline in a Gen Z household. AI-powered chatbots are taking over, my friends, and they're getting scarily good at mimicking human interaction. Companies are falling head over heels for these digital darlings because, let's face it, robots don't need health insurance, paid vacation, or bathroom breaks. They also don't unionize, demand fair wages, or accidentally spill coffee on the server. So what does that mean for the humans who used to man those phones? Well, let's just say the future isn't looking particularly rosy. The rest of us, well, it's probably time to start brushing up on those transferable skills. If you thought the world of data entry was safe from the clutches of AI, think again. This isn't about robots physically typing, although let's be honest, we're probably not far off from that either. No, this is about algorithms that can process, analyze, and input data faster and more accurately than any human could ever dream of. AI can do that in approximately 0.3 seconds without a single muttered curse word or longing glance at the tequila you keep hidden in your desk drawer. The point is, when it comes to data entry, AI is faster, cheaper, and more efficient. And in the cutthroat world of business, that makes human data entry clerks about as relevant as a fax machine at a tech conference. Remember the good old days of strolling through your local supermarket, browsing the aisles, and engaging in casual banter with the friendly cashier? Those days, my friends, are going the way of the dinosaurs. Because the retail apocalypse, fueled by the unstoppable rise of online shopping and a global pandemic, has given rise to a new breed of retail worker, the robot. For now, it's mostly self-checkout kiosks and those creepy little robots that roam the aisles at night, scanning shelves and whispering secrets to the canned goods. Because as AI gets smarter, those human jobs are going to disappear faster than a pack of toilet paper at the start of a lockdown. The next job is taxi drivers. Buckle up. Your job is taking a detour to obsolescence. Because self-driving cars are no longer a futuristic fantasy. They're here, they're honking, and they're coming for your job. Now, I know what you're thinking, but JR, those self-driving cars are still a bit wonky, aren't they? I mean, have you seen that video of one trying to parallel park? It was like watching a Roomba having an existential crisis. And yes, while the technology is still in its awkward teenage phase, it's getting better, faster, and more sophisticated every day. And when those digital drivers do finally get their act together, they're going to be coming for those taxi driver jobs like a flock of pigeons descending on a freshly baked baguette. So, buckle up, taxi drivers. The future of transportation is about to leave you standing on the curb, desperately trying to hail a ride from a sentient algorithm that doesn't understand the concept of a tip. Chapter 5, Manufacturing Workers. The assembly line just got a whole lot less assembly. Manufacturing, the backbone of industry, the land of hard work, and even harder hats, is about to get a serious robotic makeover because those factory floors, once teeming with human workers, are increasingly being populated by a new breed of employee robots. And these robots aren't just tightening screws and welding metal. They're learning, they're adapting, and they're coming for jobs that were once considered uniquely human. This isn't just about automation, it's about artificial intelligence. And as these AI-powered robots get smarter, faster, and cheaper, they're going to start replacing human workers at an alarming rate. Chapter 6, Accountants. Time to balance your checkbook and your career prospects, because one of them is about to be in the red. Accounting, the glamorous world of numbers, spreadsheets, and the thrill of finding a misplaced decimal point. But hold on to your calculators, folks, because the robot revolution is coming for your balance sheets, and it's bringing its own abacus. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms that can analyze financial data, prepare tax returns, even offer investment advice, all with a speed and accuracy that would make even the most caffeine-fueled human accountant weep into their pocket protector. Chapter 7, Journalists, extra robots learn to write, humans officially redundant. Journalism, the noble profession of afflicting the comfortable and comforting the afflicted, is about to get a serious technological makeover. I'm talking about the rise of AI-powered journalism, where algorithms are learning to write news articles, sports reports, and even those heartwarming human interest stories that make you want to hug your neighbor. Now, before you start stockpiling canned goods and building a bunker in your backyard, let me be clear. AI isn't quite ready to replace human journalists entirely, but what they can do is churn out basic news reports, financial summaries, and sports recaps with alarming speed and accuracy. Chapter 8, Paralegals. Lawyers rejoice. Paralegals, not so much. The legal profession, a world of long hours, even longer briefs, and enough jargon to make your head spin faster than a witness on the stand, is about to get a serious technological makeover. I'm talking about the rise of AI-powered legal assistants, algorithms that can review documents, conduct legal research, and even draft basic legal documents, all with a speed and accuracy that would make even the most seasoned paralegal break out in a cold sweat. Chapter 9, Medical Transcriptionists. The only thing getting transcribed now is your pink slip. The world of medicine, a place of healing, compassion, and a surprising amount of paperwork, is about to get a technological upgrade. I'm talking about the rise of AI-powered medical transcription, where algorithms are learning to transcribe medical records, dictations, and even those rambling doctor's notes that look like they were written in hieroglyphics. Now, before you start panicking about a future where your medical records are being handled by a robot that can't tell the difference between a stethoscope and a sphygmomanometer, let me be clear. AI isn't quite ready to replace human medical professionals entirely. Chapter 10, Telemarketers. Hello? Is it robot uprising you're looking for? Telemarketing, the art of cold calling unsuspecting strangers during their favorite television shows and trying to sell them something they don't need, want, or even understand. But hold on to your rotary dial phones, folks, because the robot revolution is coming for your telemarketing scripts, and it's bringing its own auto dialer. We're talking about sophisticated algorithms that can mimic human speech, engage in basic conversation, and even handle objections with a persistence that would make even the most seasoned telemarketer blush. The future is now, and it's coming for your job. This channel is all about survival, so why not like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single video? Are you worried about losing your job? What other jobs do you think should be added to this list? Put your questions and comments below. So there you have it, folks. 10 jobs that are about to get a whole lot less human. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on this critical issue.